If you are thinking of creating an app of some kind, DreamWalk are a results-driven app development agency based in Melbourne. The average cost to develop an app in Australia is $50,000 to $250,000. The exact cost will depend on a number of factors. A basic proof of concept app can cost anywhere from $15,000 to $50,000 to develop. A small app will cost around $50,000 to $75,000. Medium-sized apps will cost in the region of $75,000 to $125,000 to build, while bigger and more feature-rich apps can cost $150,000 or more. Large corporations can easily spend millions of dollars per year employing large mobile teams to develop and maintain their apps. Here are the factors that impact the cost of developing an app. 1. The type of app. This is probably the biggest factor impacting the development cost. Developing a simple QR code scanner app, for example, will cost much less than developing a comprehensive social network app. The number of screens, user types, server architecture, and third-party services will all largely depend on the app type. 2. The features. The number and complexity of features is another major factor that impacts development cost. Complex features like social media algorithms, IoT device synchronization, or augmented reality will cost more than a simple file upload or a form. 3. The platform supported. iOS and Android apps are written in different programming languages. Building an app that supports both platforms will be more than building for just one, and will cost more. If your app developer codes natively, they will need to build the front end of the app twice to support Android and iOS. The back end will likely be shared between the two, so it only needs to be written once. 4. The level of polish. Polish can be applied to every aspect of an app and will greatly impact the price of development. The user interface, UI design, server architecture, animations and interactions, and tablet optimization are all common levers. The more polish you add, the higher the cost will be. 5. Location of the app development team. Where your app development is done can also have a significant impact on the cost. Being that app development is labour intensive, the cost of that labour has a direct impact on the overall cost. With a list of chart-topping apps to our name and a long history of mobile innovation, DreamWalk is one of the most influential app developers in Australia and is trusted by some of the world's biggest brands and most ambitious startups. Get in touch with us today to discuss your app design requirements. Phone 03 8678 1870 or email info@dreamwalk.com.au or visit our website dreamwalk.com.au. We look forward to discussing your app requirements. Let's get your app out there.